It's been 3 lean months for the jaguar. As the annual floodwaters drain away, Brazil's Puntanal once again becomes big cat territory. Now, newly dry riverbanks offer the largest cat in the Americas opportunities to close in on its prey. It's so powerful, it doesn't hesitate to take on the water's greatest predator. For its size, the jaguar has the strongest bite of any big cat. The jaguar's deadly skills lie in stalking and ambush. This caiman got away. But the battle between these two apex predators plays out on a stage set by the most extreme elements on Earth. Another new beach provides a fresh rest area for a different family: capybaras and their small young. The barrel-chested creatures let everyone know where they are. They whistle and chirp to each other. This extended family sticks together. They even suckle each other's babies and share childcare. The tiny young are easily tired and particularly vulnerable. A bite-sized snack not just for jaguar and caiman, but vultures and anacondas too. They're all keeping an eye out for danger. When they spot the jaguar lurking on the far bank, they sound the alarm, capybara style. The world's largest rodents are true water babies. From their partially webbed feet up to the eyes, ears, and nostrils on the top of their head. A gland on top of male snout lets them leave a smell fingerprint for other capybaras. They make a headlong dash for safety. Underwater, they can swim much faster than the jaguar. But the cat hasn't eaten yet today. It can't afford to give up while there's any chance of success. As it hunts along the riverbank, it spots another group of its favorite prey. One small capybara would make a satisfying snack. Another warning bark and another explosive jump put them out of reach. Capybaras can hold their breath underwater for a full 5 minutes. In Brazil's wetland, jaguar and capybara play a deadly game of cat and mouse. Today, the jaguar goes hungry. An unwary darter dries its wings like a cormorant. It would make a quick bite for the jaguar. Close call. The jaguar will try for a capybara, It sneaks up silently until it is in range. The capybara escapes to live another day. But a ravenous jaguar has another weapon, its superior night vision. It will launch an attack under cover of darkness. Life and death are at stake in Brazil's wetlands. Losers pay with their hide. Once again, the jaguar goes empty-handed. But the changing conditions increasingly favor of the cat. The jaguar's realm has been submerged. Unrelenting rains bring welcome relief and new hiding places for water dwellers. The starving jaguar can't afford to miss any chances for a meal. It marks its territory and goes out to find the meat which will make the difference between life and death. At last, its strong paws and ferocious bite give it a fatal advantage even against the toughest competitor in the jungle. This caiman's flesh will keep it going for days.